Hi, today let's make simple and easy cucumber tadka recipe. Very simple, very flavorful. Trust me, you'll love it. Ingredients are very simple. You need cucumbers, lemon, mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chilli, mustard seeds, asofetida, and salt. Now let's make the chutney. In a blender, I'm adding in mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chilli. If you like it more spicy, increase the chillies. I've added in salt and half a lemon juice. Now let's blend it. Now the texture of this shouldn't be too smooth or too coarse. It needs to be this consistency. Add just 1 teaspoon of water. Now let's make a tadka. I've added in oil and then asofetida and just add it to the chopped cucumber, and then add the green chutney, and then squeeze in some more lemon juice and mix it very well. Trust me, you will love this. Sometimes we feel our we need that kick or that chatpata kind of flavor. Make this recipe, you will love it. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description box below. I'm sure if you'd have, when you were traveling in some highways or near school or college, that vendor who sells the spicy mangoes or cucumber, this will give you the exact taste. Looks like we have cracked that recipe of green chutney. If you like this recipe, as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.